whole idea is to have us represented as the technical expert
Right.
for enclosures, and to make it free and anonymous. If you think about today, you go out to a website and you have to register. You have to give them your name, your email address, a phone number.
Sure.
90% of the time, you're going to click through that and go, I'm going to go somewhere else. I don't want people to know who I am.
Sure.
I'm here anonymously to find out what I need to know. And my thought process behind that was, we'll let people qualify us ahead of time. And the way to do that is to present ourselves as technical experts on enclosures. So by doing that, what we can do is provide you with drawings for free, technical information for free, all kinds of resources that are out there. So we look like and are the technical expert when you go on the web to find out about electrical enclosures. What we've done is, as people call into our company, as questions come up, and we look for themes. One of the simpler ones started with, what's the difference between 304 and 316 stainless steel?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. There's all kinds of data out there. So I just took all the information I could find, wrote it in common language,
Sure.
and showed examples of, hey, in a marine application, especially here along the Gulf Coast, do you want 316 stainless steel? You want that extra moly in it for that extra corrosion resistance. And that gives us credibility. And that also is driving a lot of organic traffic to our website. Certain things can come up from time to time. For instance, a lot of people have questions about hazardous locations and what type of enclosure that you should buy. We don't make explosion-proof enclosures, but there's a lot of ways to use a less expensive design to go in that market.
Sure.
So what we'll do is we will say, all right, here's the difference between Class 1 Division 2, Class 1 Division 1. Here's the instances. And oh, by the way, here are all the standards that apply to those requirements, and why we are, again, it goes back to giving us that technical expertise and that credibility. It can be really simple. The first year we were at OTC, we actually published a map in a blog format that said, hey, we're going to be at booth so-and-so, come visit us. We had 3,000 unique visitors that downloaded the map to OTC from our site. I mean, you just never know where traffic can come from.